in this desert of grace. No shining crowd, no loud display, just whispered prayers at close of day. Teach my hands to serve unseen, wash my motives, make them clean. Through every ache and sacrifice, refine my soul like